Hi friends, welcome to VJTech 360. So in previous video we created the containers, we created the app services. So just make sure that you deleted everything. So that's why I'm recording this video. So for that what you have to do is come here and you need to click on these three buttons. Then you need to click on all resource. So if you remember, while creating the virtual machine, we have like a public IP address, we have a NSG, we have a network interface, we have a different resource, but that is because of that we discussed it's a infrastructure as a service. But when it comes to app services or containers while discussing, we come to know that it's a platform as a service. Can you see, can you notice that we don't have any sort of big public IP address or a virtual network created for that or any sort of resource that is not available. So that is the main difference between the infrastructure as a service and a platform as a service. So here a container imager is there and a app service is there. For that the app services plan is there. That's it. There is no like public IP address is there, DNS is not created. So that resource is everything is taken care by the Azure itself. So as a part of this video, what we need to select this and we need to click on this delete button. So you need to type yes. So make sure you deleted all this because every minute it is going to increase the charge. That's why I'm recording this video to ensure you deleted everything after the demo or learning. I hope this helped you. Thank you.